Your lesson essential question is how can you use partial differences to subtract two-digit numbers? So we are still subtracting. You know, when we subtract, we take a smaller number away from a greater number. We're subtracting those two-digit numbers and we're going to be using a strategy called partial differences. In the word partial, I see part. Partial means part of, so you're going to be finding parts of the difference. I like to think of it like pie. This is part of a pie. So partial difference is part of the difference. We're going to be finding 64 minus 36. We're going to start by first just taking away the tens. So I have 64 and I'm just going to take away those 3 tens, which is 30. So I'm taking away 10, 20, and 30. That leaves me with 10, 20, 30, and then of course, since we only took away the tens, all of our ones are still there, so 34. To get to my next 10, I only need to take away 4. Now I see that I have 6 ones that I need to take away. But let's make a 10 to make this easier. So we're going to take away those 4 to get 30. So I know that I need to take away 6 ones. I've already taken away 4 of them. How many ones do I still need to take away? I need to take away 2 more ones. So 30, I take away 2, 39, 30, 29, 28. And just like in addition, I made a 10 here because working with tens is just easier. So it was really easy to take 2 away from 30. Going back to my tens and ones blocks, I took away my 3 tens. Okay, now I know I need to take away the 6 ones. So just like when we were using tens and ones blocks before, I see that I have to regroup. So I'm going to borrow a 10, and then that 10 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. So I'm taking away, again, I've already taken away my tens. Now I need to take away my 6 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this leaves me with 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So partial differences is when we find part of the difference. We did that by first taking away the tens, then we made a 10, and then we took away the rest of the ones. So remember, when we took away 6, first we took away 4 to make a 10, and then we took away those last 2.